This is a tech tip for splicing a replacement starter's S-terminal cable to the existing S-terminal cable on Ford, Mercury, and Lincoln vehicles with 6 and 8 cylinder engines from the years 1989 to 2007. On certain Ford vehicles, a damaged S-terminal wire can lead to a starter failure. On these vehicles, starter failure can also be the result of corrosion. To help prevent corrosion, the replacement starter has oil and heat-resistant coating. And to help facilitate the repair of the S-terminal cable, the replacement starter comes with an S-terminal cable already attached. Do not remove this attached S-terminal cable. The attached S-terminal cable is meant to be spliced to the Ford's existing S-terminal cable. To splice the starter's attached S-terminal cable to the existing S-terminal harness cable on the vehicle, you'll need a wire cutter or strippers, a crimping tool, and a heat gun. With the wire cutter/stripper, cut the Ford's S-terminal harness 6 inches behind the old connector. Strip the insulation from the vehicle's S-terminal wire 3/8 of an inch back from the tip. Make sure that the wires are clean and not corroded. To splice the starter's attached S-terminal cable to the vehicle's S-terminal cable, slide back the shrink tube on the starter's S-terminal cable. Using a crimping tool, squeeze the base of the connector to make the connection secure. Insert the wire from the vehicle's S-terminal cable wire into the shrink tube. Then use a heat gun on the shrink tube connection to seal the connection. If you have any questions, contact our ASC certified technicians who are available 7 days a week. In the United States, call 1-800-228-9672.
Powered by MPA.